In this video, we will be discussing about the third stage in the hacking process, which is gaining access. Gaining access is the most important phase of an attack in terms of potential damage. Although a hacker don't always have to gain access to the system to cause a damage, the hacker attacks the system after knowing all the possible weakness to enter into the system by using the knowledge he got from the previous stage, that is the scanning and the information gathering stage. This is the most important and most dangerous stage. Even if only one of the 100 network users have a weakness in their system, it could lead to an exponential increase in the network exploit through distributed zombies software and the internal denial of service attack. The degree and the scope of attacks depends much on the level of access the hacker gains and their level of skills. So this is the third stage in the hacking, that is gaining access. Let's move on to the next stage.